VEGA enables you to give 24/7 personalized support to each user of yours. For that, you can create your own AI avatar that resembles your tone, style, and knowledge using just 3 steps. Give your avatar a name, brief description, and an icon for display purposes. Give your avatar a friendly welcome message in your style, and in detail explain how you want your avatar to respond. You can also generate or modify these using our AI helper. Create a knowledge base for your avatar with your PDFs. Now your avatar is ready 24/7 for student support, concept explanations, and doubt resolution. Build unlimited courses with VEGA. Our AI course generator helps you design the perfect taxonomy in seconds. All you need is to give your course a name, attach a PDF or image of a course outline, or let our AI create subjects, fields, and topics with intelligent weightings, and save. You can now make changes to this taxonomy using UI as per your needs. Next, extract questions from any content, PDFs, images, or even handwritten text. Select the type of questions the content contains, such as multiple choice, passage-based questions, short answers, or long open-ended answers, and click on Extract. VEGA AI Visual Intelligence not only extracts the questions, but also classifies it for you, with topic, tags, difficulty score. It also marks the correct option and generates solution for the question, if not present in source material. You can also add audio-based questions, such as listening and speaking for language proficiency tests. Now, you can create tests using these extracted questions or generate similar questions from them. Just select the question, choose number of questions to be generated, and click Generate. And your questions will be generated within seconds. You can also create quizzes, assignments, homework, or exit tickets on any topic and difficulty using our inbuilt AI agents in just 2 steps. Number 1. Give the topic, difficulty, and number of questions you need. Number 2. Attach any reference material or let AI create on its own. And voila, your quiz is ready. You can make adjustments if you want using chat or just preview and save. You can similarly create resources for your learners, such as projects, lecture notes, worksheets, flashcards, and many more using VEGA's AI agents. Now it's time to deploy and make your AI-powered experience live for users worldwide through your own branded portal. With a few clicks, you can deploy your course, deploy your AI avatar, and assign your test to individual users or batches. Now on your portal, users can practice with your avatar on any topic, even if you haven't added questions yet. They can also take tests and quizzes that are auto-graded by AI, helping you save time and focus on teaching. Now, with users giving tests, it's time to analyze. Turn performance data into actionable insights with AI-powered analytics. View analytics at every level, test-wise analytics, user analytics, and batch analytics for individual assessments, user progress, and group performance, respectively. Get question-by-question insights. Track how long users spend, how accurate they are, and how they compare. Drill down into accuracy to spot mistakes and patterns instantly. Understand user time management and where they can work faster. See mastery across topics with AI highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. Users need personalized feedback, individual support, and content that adapts to their unique needs and learning styles. VEGA personalizes every interaction. After tests, users get AI-generated feedback with detailed explanations and study recommendations. Review with your AI avatars for personalized doubt resolution and concept explanations. With VEGA AI interactive spaces, you can turn any PDF or video into an engaging experience for your users. Complete with AI avatar chats, flashcards, and practice sessions. Plus, help them learn faster with auto-generated keynotes and summaries that save hours of prep time. VEGA AI. Build, deploy, analyze, personalize. The only platform that scales personalized learning from one user to thousands. Transform your organization today.